video on cheesy waffles again. So I want to see if we can put a bit of a crust on the outside of the waffle with a bit of cheese. So I'm going to grill one as well. So that's a bit of chicken fat, and I'm not going to put any cheese on the grilly one, so it's just going to stick. Or maybe I should do. It'll just stick, won't it? So let's just have a go there, and then put that on top, and we'll be able to check. That's alright. I wasn't going to do it, but we will. If it makes a mess of the grill, it makes a mess of the grill. Then a bit of cheese there, and then mixture on top. Let's see how it turns out. Do you need to see the cooking process? Probably not. And I'm going to bang around, so I need to put the wash off away. So we'll see how those turn out. Right, we need to flip, so let's have a look. Oh, okay, that kind of works. We're certainly going to get a cheese crust. Does it work in that one? Yeah, we get some cheese embedded. That's alright, so we'll cook those and see how they turn out. Right, let's have a look. That one there. That one there. Kind of wanted it to go a bit more caramelised and crunchy, but that works to get a bit of a cheese crust on the outside. That's do. It makes the outside go really crunchy. That's really nice of that. It's ridiculous, but it's really nice. Yeah, well, it works. Might have bloody flies. Might have another go with a bit of mozzarella. You see what happens there. We'll make another one. So that was delicious. Well, what's not to like about fried cheese? But let's just try it with. I've got this cheddar and mozzarella mix, so let's just try it with that. I think these will be a little bit smaller because I haven't got that much mixture left. So mixture on top of the cheese. Turn that down a bit, and then I think it wants to just be a cheese that goes crispy. So the cheap cheese was fine. Oh, and we need to have a look at the way it pulls apart as well. So it was nice when I pulled it apart because it's got a little bit of mozzarella in it. Although I don't know what the ratio of mozzarella to cheddar is. So what's it say on the back? Half and half. got potato starch in it as well. That probably just stops it from sticking together. Ooh, look at that. That's more impressive, isn't it? That's more impressive. So I'll just turn the temperatures down. That looks better, doesn't it? That looks better. If that was in a if that was in a proper waffle line, that would be particularly impressive. Where are we? That's fine. Right. We'll pause. No, ready to turn over. Not yet. We could go slowly, and then we'll be when I'm ready to flip. Or there's no point making long videos, is there? Right. I think we're ready to flip. Yeah, better with the mozzarella, isn't it? Better with the mozzarella. So we'll cook these, and then we'll have a look inside them. Right, so the one that's cooked in the pan is ready. So let's have a proper look at breaking it open without burning myself. See, you get all that with the cheese, which is, I don't know if grated's better than, maybe kind of like cubed would be better, so you get like proper lumps of melted cheese, but you get the idea. And then the cheese on the outside just goes crunchy, which is really nice. Which is really nice. So I think that's a better way of doing it. Like a cheese crust. It's loads of cheese. I don't know how expensive that'll make it, but as a treat, and something a bit different. It's really good. But there we go. That's a winner.